Hi, my name is Annelise. I'm from a city called Welkom in South Africa. I am a TESOL, ESL accredited and certified online English teacher with plus minus 2 to 3 years of experience in educating pre and middle school kids. In October of last year, I graduated from TEFL Universal. My focus was on English language online teaching, where I learned all these skills. I'm so excited about what I've been learning, and I can't wait to put these skills to work. In my free time, I've been taking every opportunity to learn more about teaching programs for young students, modern teaching, illustrations, and online programs. I'm always up for a challenge. I'm looking forward to grow and learn with my students. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. I'd love to hear from you. Hopefully, we'll be having classes soon. Thank you. Bye.